Guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this particular session, we're going to be dealing with the Pandas series and Pandas data frame. So let's get on it. So for your environment setup, you can download the Anaconda Navigator. So and I'm going to be using data log. So just click on launch. I have my data log opened already. Okay, so what's the difference between series and data frame? So series is just a one-dimensional array. So but a data frame is a two-dimensional array. So a series cannot have a column name, but data frames can have column names. And when you need to deal with maybe just one column of data, you can use a series. But when you need to deal with multiple columns of data, use your data frame. So let's get to it. So pandas. Okay, so import pandas as pd dot series of what languages. So we can print something similar as we did earlier, print out our data and our series and see what it's going to look like. So you see, find out that we don't have 0, 1, 2, 3 here again. We now have A, B, C, D. So you can only specify the index you want for your data. And another way to do this is I can load it as a dictionary. So we already have distance here. So this is the distance a person jogs in kilometers for day 1 to day 4. So if you save that a dictionary, so I can just pd dot series and what's our data? So our data is what the distance. So I can print that. So automatically picked out the keys and the value, the 1, 10, the 2, 14, the 3, 18, the 4, we have what 12. So that's how our series work. So let's look at how does the data frame work. Okay, so we have this. For our data frame, we can what something similar. So let's just give it another variable. Let it t. So we can print t. So that's that it's taking in multiple columns. Unlike the series, this data frame now is taking in multiple columns. So we have what the distance column, we have duration column. So now if I so desire, I can add what I can add an index to it. So let me call my index A, B, C, and D. Okay, so that's our index. So we now pass in index into our data frame now. So you can see our index is what index. So let's run again. Find out that the index is now A, B, C out and D. So what happens if the number of index, we have four values here. So what's going to happen if the number of index is not equal to the number of values we have? So let's remove one of it and run again. Okay. So if there is still an error, length of values does not match length of index. Okay, so that's the effect on when you're running a data frame. But let's see in series. Let's do the same thing for series and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so we still have the same effect over there.